These two are so used to me videoing them.
I just accept it.
Ever since they had locks.
You saw Locs? Yeah.
Lovely. Whoop.
You know, because you hear the screams. They put it right to the edge of the park as well.
Do that?
Yeah, so you walk quite far so that you can't hear the screams in the centre of the thing.
Oh.
And it's not until you're getting up close to it and you can hear people screaming. You go, what's that? What's that?
I need to run toilet. Oh, nice. That looks.
Period.
Eh? Lovely. Whoop.
Drop us rather than us sitting there, you know, in this cold room after we've worked. Waiting to be. And it was in the director, you know, who had to come and say.
We have a service called Loc Tidy or Loc Touch Up. So my client today has come in for a lock touch up. The front didn't need doing, so we've only done the backs. A lot of the time we do all the way around the edge. So what I've done is retwisted the back, and then I'm going to style the front so that it's not over twisted. Do you know what I mean? So if we're twisting too much, it can be very detrimental. So I've done all the back, popped them in the dryer, and now voila, morning. The front is styled in basket weave, just halfway works. Looking good. Looking really good, in fact. Are you alright then, my dear? Feel like I haven't seen you a long time. I like your trousers.
Oh, thank you.
They're well nice. They're nice.
Thank you.
Are you not alright? Oh, you're alright.
Hello.
What is that? Hold on, free him from this chair. What is that though?
No idea. No idea.
Oh my
Every time I go to bed
goodness.
with a hot water bottle,
You burnt yourself.
I wake up with different lumps.
Don't go to bed with a hot water
just on my
bottle.
hands.
You've been burning yourself.
I don't know. I mean, I'm not hogging the bottle.
You're burnt. That's a burn. That's a blister from the burn.
I had one here the other time. Burst.
My two beautiful young girls have come in today for a comb through, wash, blow dry and loose twists, because they're getting their hair braided tomorrow. So we comb through before washing it, we comb through again after we've washed, and we comb through each section before blow drying it with the hair dryer and the afro pick. Then we put it in individual twists as we go along. So when it's now time for them to go and get their braids, it's just going to be so easy, soft and highly moisturized to plait. It's going to be just fine. So that's getting done tomorrow. Look how cute those twist looks. My mum used to do my hair like that for school. Hello. These lot are lucky. They've only got it for one day. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Subscribe.